What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Solana sitting at 166, up 1.6 on the day. Market cap 74 billion, 24 volume 2.46 billion. So we had a nice 5-wave move off the low, coming back in a wave 2 pullback. We can break out from here. We are starting to see a nice little push. We are in a Solana trade. You can get completely free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. So as you can see, we have a small inverse head and shoulders. There's a small bullish divergence on the 1 hour. We also have a bullish divergence on the 30-minute time frame. So we could push up from here if we do continue to push up. And this, of course, we can ABC correct. But if we do continue to push up out of this target zone, then I can give you your next wave. So right now we have 1, 2, looking to push up into 3 within the wave 3 or 5 waves. So we have our first impulse to the upside. And now if we continue up from this zone, let me just drop it in here. So this is the wave 1 of the larger wave 3, wave 2 pullback. Then you'd push up 3, 4, 5. Just quickly change the color. Plug in my laptop here or it's going to die on me. All right, and there we go. And basically what you do is you would take a trend base of extension from the bottom of the impulse to the top to the bottom of that wave 2. You would target the 1.618 for the wave 3, which could take you all the way up to $244, and then put in the 4, put in the 5. If we fail to do so, we roll over, then the correction simply isn't finished yet, but good to see for the bulls, a breakout of this inverse head and shoulders, and looks like these bullish divergences, the one on the 30-minute can play out and push all the way up to overbought, which it's already doing here. So I think there's a decent chance, at least we're going to push up and reach the target of the inverse head and shoulders, because if we do bounce and put in a wave B, then we'd still hit our take profits for our trade. And taking a look at the daily time frame, beautiful ascending triangle off the bear market low. We broke out, so it looks like we just came back for a little retest before potentially seeing continuation all the way up to the target, which is at about 206 for our friend Solana. So that's what I'm looking at for Sol. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, here's the weekly results. Is it charging? Yeah. This was last week, not only for crypto, but as well as Forex. We've been doing well many weeks in a row now, so we love to see it. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Make your first deposit, can be $10, $100. Just send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, Forex signals as well. Been doing really well in Forex. All links down below. Go smash up that like button. If you don't want to sign up to BITUNIX, sign up through the Patreon link for $10 a month. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.